Hey, eco-conscious travelers! If you're looking to explore the world while keeping your carbon footprint minimal, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some effortless eco-travel hacks that'll help you stay green without even thinking twice. Let's dive in. First up, packing light. Did you know that the weight of your luggage can impact the fuel efficiency of your flight? By packing only what you need, you not only save on baggage fees, but also reduce the carbon emissions of your journey. Aim for versatile clothing pieces and reusable items like a water bottle and cutlery. It's a win-win. Speaking of reusable items, let's talk about zero-waste travel kits. A good kit includes a reusable water bottle, metal straws, cloth napkins, and a set of bamboo cutlery. These small swaps can significantly cut down on single-use plastics. Plus, they're super easy to carry around. Next, consider your transportation choices. When possible, opt for trains or buses over flights, especially for shorter distances. Trains are often more energy efficient and give you a great view of the countryside. If flying is a must, look for airlines that invest in sustainable practices or offer carbon offset programs. Every little bit helps. Accommodation is another biggie. Choose eco-friendly hotels or lodgings with green certifications. These places take extra steps to reduce waste, save energy, and promote sustainability. Websites like ecohotels.com and Green Pearls can help you find the perfect spot. Let's not forget about eating green. Support local, organic restaurants and farmers markets. Not only will you enjoy fresh and delicious meals, but you'll also be reducing your food miles and supporting the local economy. Don't forget to carry a reusable shopping bag for all those tasty treats. Another easy tip is to use digital over paper. Instead of printing boarding passes, itineraries, or maps, use digital versions. Most airlines and travel companies offer app-based services for tickets and check-ins. It's convenient and cuts down on paper waste. Lastly, respect local wildlife and natural habitats. Stick to marked trails, avoid disturbing animals, and never take natural souvenirs. Responsible travel means leaving places as beautiful as you found them. So there you have it. With these simple hacks, you can enjoy your adventures without compromising your eco-values. Remember, it's all about making mindful choices and small changes that add up. Happy eco-traveling. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more eco-friendly travel guides. See you in the next video.